Okay, I'll just show you how to delete a mobile from the Bluetooth audio system in this 2016 Range Rover Sport from any screen. If we go on to telephone there, the button, you'll see there's no phone connected to it at the moment. It's brought up the phones that are connected. I want to delete mine there. Delete Barry's iPhone. Yes, it's gone. Okay, I'll just show you how to pair a mobile to the Bluetooth audio system in this 2016 Range Rover. So let's just put it on a different screen. So first of all, we make sure that Bluetooth is on here, which it is. So Bluetooth on, then we click the telephone. Now there's two ways of doing it actually. You can click the menu button and you'll see menu button, please connect to phone. So you can go there or click the telephone, search for new. We're watching out at the bottom here. We'd want to do vehicle to device because that brings up a pin, a randomly generated pin, instead of you putting one in here and then having to match it there. It just saves you like 4 or 5 presses of a button. Not a whole lot, but it's just easier. There you go, Barry's iPhone 11. Click on that. To pair and connect phone, enter 2761. 2761 pair. Allow contacts and favourites to sync. Allow Range Rover Sport here. Connecting to Barry's iPhone. Connected. That's it done. And it's showing there. The other great thing in this 2016 Range Rover Sport is it has Bluetooth audio streaming. If I go to my music here, I'll actually turn it down. But you see at the bottom there, hopefully there's a bit of a reflection there, Range Rover Sport. If I click on that, you'll see there's a tick next to Range Rover Sport, and anything, so long as the system here is set up correctly, anything that's playing on your phone will play through the speakers in here. So whether it be Spotify, Amazon Music, or just the ordinary music. So here we go. We'll go to the music symbol there, and you'll see it's already on my phone. If it's not, you see that plus there, that's not always showing. I'll just show you why. So if I click to auxiliary, it won't play here, and then I go to something else, my video, it's not doing it. So we want to play music from here. We go to the music note there, and you'll see my music. There's nothing there, there's no plus at the side, so you have to press my music, then click the plus. Then you've got the choice of all these, Barry's iPhone, iPod, DVD, so on. So we click Barry's iPhone. That's it. Now when this is turned down, I'll turn this up. That's turned up, and then it's a very good system. Okay, I'll just show you how to set the sat-nav in this 2016 Range Rover Sport. Any screen, you'll see here it's kind of an arrow in a circle. We click on that. You've got destination entry. Sometimes if you get in it first, it'll ask you to click that you're not going to be distracted. But you've got address and postcode. Postcode, we're Grosvenor Garage, Chorley Road, Waltleydale, Preston, PR, and it's defaulted to numbers, which not all of them do. It's a really good system. PR54J, and we want an S there. Click OK. And then go. It's as easy as that. Great system, easy system to use. Thanks for watching.